Hi there, I'm Azri Pardas. I'm an Executive Vice President with PEMANDU Associates, and I'm also Managing Director of the PEMANDU Associates Learning Academy. And I've been a consultant for quite a long time now, and I've served various clients in both the public sector and the private sector. And in the last decade in particular, the focus has been on transformation, whether it's business turnaround, whether it's public sector transformation, across both the public sector and the private sector as well. And during that time, and especially during the time in PEMANDU, the focus has not only been on improving the organization and also driving them towards the change, but it's also about changing the people themselves, which are they're the important element to actually ensuring that transformation actually happens. So a couple of years ago, that's what led to the formation of the PEMANDU Associates Learning Academy, which focuses on specifically the capacity building people within organizations to becoming transformation agents, basically. What we have here today behind me is one of our events that we have organized, where it's a Masterclass workshop focusing on critical thinking for effective decision making. And why is this really important? I think in the world of transformation, whether in the public sector or in the private sector, decision makers really need to make really informed decisions. And therefore, what we're trying to do today with the participants is enabling them to providing the right kind of information in a crisp, concise and synthesized manner to allow for their bosses to make the right decisions moving forward. Right? What we hope to take away from today is for each of these guys behind me to actually go back and quicken the process of developing these kind of reports and presentations to allow their bosses to make more informed decisions. And this is one of many things that the Learning Academy actually is focusing on. While this is open to various organizations, and we have representation from both the public sector and the private sector across various levels, across various industries, we also go down straight into companies to do customized training sessions, not just on critical thinking, not just on presentations, but also in terms of facilitation, in terms of leadership, in terms of various aspects that are required as tools to support and enable any transformation within any organization. So we're looking forward to next year. I think we've got a few things planned and lined up, and we're going to have more of these, more different type of workshops open to public, but we also will focus on engaging specific entities to customize and assist them with the capacity building, and that's where we believe that we can bring value to everybody.